Hello students, in this video we will discuss about some terminology related to function. Since first terminology is image, second is pre-image, third is domain, fourth is codomain, and fifth is range. Now we will take here one by one and describe what is the image, what is the pre-image, what is the domain, what is the codomain, and what is the range with a ray diagram. Suppose here there are two non-empty sets A and B are given, and element of A related to element of B under the rule F. If element of A denoted by A, B, C, D and element of B is X, Y, Z, T, P. Now if A related to X, B related to Z, C related to Y, D related to P. This is a function, that means F such that A to B. Now we take here first image. What is the image? Image means those elements of set B which is related to element of set A. That means those all elements of set B related to set A known as image. That means image of A is X, image of B is Z, image of C is Y, image of D is P. Now here we can write what is the image. Image means all elements of set B related to element of set A. That means image of A equal to X, image of B equal to Z, image of C equal to Y, image of D equal to P. This is the image. That means these are known as image. In other words, we can say that all order pair of the function, in all order pair of the function, second element will be image of this function. Now, what is the pre-image? Pre-image is nothing but all element of set A related to any element of set B. That means if we write here pre-image of X is A, pre-image of Y equal to C, pre-image of Z equal to B, and pre-image of P equal to D. These elements which is related to set A is known as pre-image. Now we will take domain. What is the domain? Domain means all element of set A which have image in set B. All element of set A which have image in set B is known as domain. That means A, B, C and D is known as domain. Now codomain is nothing but all element of set B, or we can say that set B is known as codomain. That means element in codomain will be X, Y, Z, T and P. These are the codomain. And range, all element of set B which have pre-image in set A is known as codomain. Range. All element of set B which have pre-image in set A is known as range. That means range equal to X, Y, Z and P. These elements will be range of this function. Now you can see here, since all elements of range lie in the codomain, therefore we can say that range is the subset of codomain. Range is the subset of codomain. This is very important result.